Okay, good job. I see it. Okay.
Can you see this white stuff?
Yeah.
That's the tree.
Okay. That's from the tree. You're going to cut it up?
Yeah,
Good job.
pieces down
Little pieces. Wow. Look at the big tree. You're a lumberjack. Cut a little branch would be easier.
Huh? Well, that thing's sticking. That's it. That's it, Jay. Good, it's coming.
He's cutting too close to the end, Papa.
Yeah.
That's sap.
That's it. That's it. It's coming. It's coming. There you go. Look, look. Hey!
Let me see your face.
Good boy.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, Jay. Yeah, do it up here. Go ahead. That's it. Keep going. One more cut. There you go. Good boy. Okay, here's another one. That's it. All right, go back over here. Back over here. That's it. Keep going over here. There you go. Keep going. Now over here.
Watch it.
Coming. Hey, good. There it is. Okay, a little bit more. Cut it right there.
Watch your fingers.
That's it. Now cut it. Here, put it this way. Okay, like that. Almost have it. That's it. That's it. Right there. Back here.